All right, I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. So the best way to create one, I think, is to go into your Drive, figure out what folder you're going to put it into so you can easily find it to start editing, and click New, go to More, and go to Google Sites. And here's your first site. So we're gonna give it a title. So there are two places to title your site, here and here. Whatever you title it here will be what you see in your Drive. What you type in here will be what the public, the world sees. So those can be different. Okay. So we can just call it that. Okay, I'm going to give this a title, call it Welcome Page. All right, and let's populate this with some content. In order to do that, you can double click in this empty white space, and now I can add images, upload something from my computer, something from my Drive, or embed something or add some text. So I'm going to add some text first and say, welcome to my site. Okay. And then I can change the type of text. So it could be a title, a heading, subheading. I think I'm going to make it a heading and center it and change the color to blue. There you go. All right. Now let's add an image. So we can add images by URL, or I could search for something and Google automatically looks for things that I can legally reuse. So maybe I want a picture of a teacher. I don't know. Let's see what this does. Hey, look at that. She looks nice. We'll use that. And maybe we can add something from my album. Hey, look, it's me. Just add me there. And in Gandalf. All right. So something else I can add is something from my Drive, right? And I can do that here as well. I can also change the layout, which is kind of nice. So I've got these two pictures, so maybe I want to make it look like this and add another two pieces of content, all right? So you can play around with that. Let's add something from Drive here. Let's add this. All right. So there's a link to this file. Let's change the themes. Yes. Maybe I don't like this, so I'll go with Aristotle. Ooh, that looks nice. All right, or maybe I want to change the image there. So I'm going to select an image. I like sticky notes. Let's see that. All right, and adjust for readability. And I can change the type of header, so I can make it a banner like it is, or just the title, or large banner, or a very large cover. Keep it like this. Okay. Over here, there's a list of other things I can add. So I might want to make this a YouTube video about making a Google site. Hey, I'll just use that. And it gets embedded. Maybe I want to add my calendar. Oops. In here. All right, now I'm going to show you how to add pages and change the navigation. So you're here, and then you'll go to Pages on the side, and you'll hit that plus sign, and it'll create a new page for you. Now let's name it maybe About Me. All right. Click there, and it takes you to About Me, and then you can Once it loads here, you can start to add content, as just like the previous page, but it'll be filed under home there. Okay. So let's add another page. We'll call this one About You. All right. And we'll click Done there. It creates another one. This is going to appear underneath Home. We can change that to side navigation if we click on the little sprocket there. And now creates this. So click that and you get this nifty little sidebar. And clicking on the preview button shows you what your viewers will see.